Hello and welcome to my free Day Trading Foundations course. If you ever wondered how to start day trading the right way, then you're in the right place. My name is Josh, and over the next several lessons, I'm going to be guiding you through the foundations of day trading step by step. If you're watching this course on YouTube, then you can find the complete playlist to all the lessons of this course inside the description of this video. And if you're watching it at 1215daytrading.com, you can find all the lessons inside the dashboard, and you'll also have access to my Monday stock picks. So be sure to check that out as well. Now, before we dive in, let me share a little bit about my background and what day trading is realistically like. I've been trading since 2013 and teaching aspiring traders just like yourself since 2019. I've helped thousands of traders improve their trading, and I hope that this free course can help you do the same. But I'm not going to lie to you and tell you that trading is easy. Even if you obtain all the knowledge of how to be successful, it does not guarantee that you will. This is one of the most challenging career choices that you can pursue, as it takes a lot of practice and self-improvement to master. That's why it is so important that you start with a solid foundation of the basics. If you do not have the basics down, then you're going to really struggle to apply any sort of strategy effectively. It's kind of like trying to build a house without a sturdy frame. It's just not going to hold up under pressure. So think of this course as laying the groundwork, where you'll learn the key essentials to prepare for more specific and advanced strategies later. Inside this course, we'll cover the right tools and software you'll need to get started, the basics of reading charts to predict price movement, how to manage risks so that you protect your capital, and how to stay disciplined and manage your emotions under pressure. These four elements are at the core of every trading strategy out there, so no matter which direction you choose to go after taking this course, you'll be starting off on the right foot to achieve a successful career at trading. Now, for those of you who want to take your learning experience even further, I also offer a program called 1215 University, which includes all of the videos from this free course, plus 50 additional lessons, custom indicators, a chat room, and daily trading plans tailored to my specific strategy, which has produced profitable results since 2020. If you want to view the results of my strategies in full detail, you can find them by going to 1215daytrading.com, clicking the results tab, and viewing the statistics as I post them at the end of each month. So if you want to learn how to have similar results to the statistics I post, then 1215 University is a great next step to explore. But for now, this free Day Trading Foundations course is a great place to start, and I'm very excited for you to watch all the videos. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. I'll see you in the next lesson.